Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Lux Angel. On this channel, I discuss luxury, fashion, and style. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe. You can do so with the red subscribe button down below. And be sure to click the bell icon. That will alert you every time I upload a new video. So today, as promised, I have an unboxing. This unboxing is from Nordstrom. Previously, I uploaded a video talking about my recent purchase. It was the Marc Jacobs leather card case. Well, the day has arrived and it's finally here. And it actually took a lot faster than they said it would take. I ordered it on a Sunday and it came on a Wednesday, so I'm really excited about that. Now, I haven't looked at it or done any sneak peeks or anything like that, so this will be the first time we see it together. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna be careful because nobody wants to give away their information. Although my address is not on here. I delivered this to my in-laws because I knew I was probably gonna be out of town when it came, but it came early, so nice. Here we go. Here's the card case. Let's look at it together. This is pretty nondescript packaging. This is from Nordstrom. This is interesting. There's nothing special about this packaging. What do we have here? Is this a care card or something? Marc Jacobs. 100% cow split leather with polyurethane coating. So it's a protected thing. Naturally tan leather, delicate products, yada yada yada, woo woo woo, woo woo woo. All right, so it comes with some care card and instructions, so that's nice. And here is the tag. Come on, no focusing properly on this thing, right? Okay, here's a tag, the style number, color, primrose is the color. Okay. And $53.98, that's not what I paid for it. So I wonder if this was like in the store and they're just trying to clear it out or something like that. And let's see, here we go. So this would, all right, I see a little spot here. Hopefully that's not permanent. Hopefully I can clean that off. If not, she's going back. Because like stuff like that is not a very, very big deal. But if my product is new, I want to be the one to mess it up. I don't want it to come already messed up. And who knows, maybe it was partly off because of like these like discolorations. Like here's some on the back too. So that is disappointing. It is a very cute card case, but this is very disappointing. And maybe that's why it was half off in the first place. But they should really let the consumer know if that's why they discount things, like, oh, it's effed up. So, you know, it is a cute color pink. I'm hoping I can clean this off with leather cleaner. And if not, you know, I'm sending it back. But let's just get into it. I like how this pocket here and this pocket here, the little dots line up. But we have one card slot, two card slots, and then a slot in the middle. And on the back, we have another 2 card slots. So that's 5 card slots. And who knows, perhaps you can double up and put extra cards in. So of course, I will be doing What's in My Bag SLG edition again, just to show what could possibly fit in here if it can hold more than just the 5 cards. But it is still a cute card case. So that's always nice. So I'll give you an update to see if I can clean it up a little bit. And that's honestly why I like doing unboxings with you on camera, because there's no hiding. You know, I can't doctor up something and fake it. If it doesn't come right, it doesn't come right. So you know I'm being completely honest and authentic if I say the product doesn't work for me, or if I want to talk about the service or whatnot. Okay, so good news. I'm happy to update that I was able to get the spots off. So she is all cleaned up and she is looking beautiful. So I will be keeping this. Again, I only paid like $48 including tax. It was $44.95, I believe. I didn't pay this price that was on the tag. So I will be keeping it. She looks beautiful. I love this color pink. This primrose is a great medium pink with gold tone hardware from Marc Jacobs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye!